Hello everyone. We're back with computer programming. Today we'll be talking about the different types of programming languages and their uses. The programming language can be divided into two different categories: front-end computer programming and back-end computer programming. So what's the difference between them? Front-end computer programming focuses on what users visually see first in their browser or application. It's all about how a website looks and feels. It involves working with a code that produces the elements that the user can see and interact with in a website. For example, it includes the font that is written in a web page or the drop-down menu where you can choose your preferred option. The main languages that any front-end developer needs to know are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is used to structure a web page and its elements. CSS is used to style the web pages. And finally, the JavaScript is used to make websites interactive. On the other hand, the back-end or the server side is the portion of the website you don't see. A back-end web developer is responsible of creating the logic that will make the website work as it should do. It stores and organizes data in a database and ensures that everything works well on the client side. The back-end communicates with the front-end by sending and receiving data to be displayed as a web page. In order to manage and organize data in a database, you can use one of the following database systems, such as MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. And the most common back-end languages that are used to fulfill the user's request and to retrieve the information from a database are Java, PHP, Python, and Ruby. To get a better understanding of when do you interact with the front end and the back end, let's assume you want to buy a new shirt from Amazon. So, a back-end developer uses one of the back-end languages to get the information about all the shirts that are available in the database. The information is then processed in an application and then it is displayed for the user on the web page. If you try to filter the results based on the color, for example, then the same process will be repeated again. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.